Yes, thank you for coming to today's interview. So, may I have your name?
Wamet, meten ipuel eureni fin America.
Excuse me, may I have your name, sir?
Yes, itei, isreneme,
Mr. Rainham, what is your nationality?
wasan wasenine. Wamet. Simiura puen ganreneme. Metose weweti met weuen ganreneme,
Excuse me? What are you saying? Stupid chukes.
wanlian wasan was. You know what?
What?
Le pasó mom. Omiron. Eletare iwen chokbue sike no lukun, walikin angia no maria nanwek.
Wow. Are you fucking threatening me?
Yes ma'am, euernwa. Pue se fachan apetipulu wongwe faket. Ikametore canchon katon,
Do you want me to call the cops?
goayet, y se facha fan renekana cholu. Kenikena inon kanalipuara? Inasorir, repueto angia nerkei.
You're fired. Get the hell out of this office before I call security.
Goayet, y se mopu alker. Wamet, wameluki puen ganrechuk, le pasaman en wasekichin lien merica. Ama weseues en totoipu en amutiare esa en napafacha.